shells. What if your doodles could actually stand up? Ever get DIY inspo, but your apartment says nope? Meet the 3Doodler Flow, your tiny handheld 3D printer.
Plug it in, choose PLA or ABS, and wait about a minute. Tap fast or slow, feed the filament, then doodle in 3D.
I make cable clips and shelf hooks. No drill, no chaos. Not gonna lie, this beats buying another just-in-case tool. ABS is great for drawing in the air. Watch this little bridge. When I'm in a creative block, I start lines, ideas show up. If you rent small, this is big creativity. Links in bio.